Hello,
Hello,
I'm Hanson. Please introduce yourself.
my name is Tina. I am 30 years old. I am from Vietnam. My hobbies are playing badminton and reading book.
Okay.
Um, I am
Can you talk about your family?
there are 4 people in my family. There are my mother, my father, my brother, and me.
That's great. Tina, you speak louder, okay? Okay, what about your school?
I attend in school at School Dong Giao Secondary School.
I attend school at
I attend
school.
school at Dong Giao Secondary School.
Okay, which class are you?
I am in grade 8.
Grade 8. That's good. Give me 5. Good. Okay, Tina, look here. Do you often go shopping?
Yes, I do.
Good. How many ways can you shop?
Uh, I can shop 2 ways: online and offline shopping.
Great. Online and offline shopping. That's good. Okay, what's your favorite shop?
My favorite shop is Lucky Supermarket.
Where is Lunchy?
Lucky
Where is Lunchy Supermarket?
is in Tam Điệp.
Good. How often you go shopping?
I often go shopping once a month.
Once a month. That's good. Okay. What do you buy from Lunchy?
I will buy book and other things.
Books and other things. Okay. Who can go to Lunchy?
I easily
Who can go to Lunchy?
everyone
Okay.
go there.
Everyone can go there.
Everyone can go there.
That's great. Why do you like Lunchy?
I like lunching because they are cheaper.
The things are cheaper, okay?
Price is neat.
The place is neat. That's good. Okay, Tina, we have 2 ways of shopping, online and offline. Which one do you prefer?
I prefer shopping online
Why?
because easier and convenient.
It's easier and convenient. That's great. Okay, Tina, look here. What's this?
Forest fire,
This.
storm,
This.
tornado,
And this.
thunder.
Good. Are you happy?
Yes.
Give me 5. Good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye. Great.